In a world where safety and security are paramount, the choice of the right home defense shotgun can make all the difference. Here we'll unveil the top 5 shotguns for home defense in 2024, carefully selected to ensure your peace of mind in uncertain times. From the streets to the front door of your home, these shotguns have proven themselves to be reliable protectors in any scenario. So, whether you're a seasoned expert or new to the world of firearms, join us as we explore the power, precision, and performance of these incredible tools for defense. Stay tuned, because you're about to discover which shotguns have made the cut this year and why one of them could be the key to your home's security strategy. 5. Mossberg 500. Let's start with what makes the Mossberg 500 the go-to shotgun for countless Americans. Engineered with versatility in mind, it boasts a pump-action mechanism that's both reliable under pressure and easy to use, making it ideal for high-stress situations. Whether you're left or right-handed, the ambidextrous safety ensures that anyone can operate it with confidence. And with a capacity to hold up to 6 rounds, it's ready to deliver when it matters most. With its affordable price point, the Mossberg 500 democratizes security, ensuring that high-quality defense isn't just a luxury for the few, but a fundamental right accessible to all. This shotgun has stood the test of time, with a track record stretching back over 60 years. In the hands of law enforcement, military personnel, and everyday citizens, it has proven itself time and again. Why? Because of its rugged design and ease of use. With options for up to 6 rounds of 12 gauge, you're equipped to handle any threat that dares enter your domain. But reliability is just the beginning. The true magic of the Mossberg 500 lies in its incredible flexibility. The Mossberg 500's ability to accommodate a wide array of accessories and configurations means it can be tailored to fit your specific home defense needs. This shotgun meets you where you are, whether you're a seasoned shotgun veteran or a first-time owner. Looking for a shorter barrel for easier maneuverability in tight spaces? Mossberg's got you covered. Prefer a stock that fits you just right? The options are endless. And for those who love gadgets, the 500's rail systems allow you to attach lights, lasers, and more, ensuring you have the tactical advantage, day or night. 4. Benelli M4 Tactical. Renowned for its advanced engineering and battle-tested performance, the Benelli M4 is not just a shotgun, it's a comprehensive defense system. Praised by military and law enforcement communities worldwide, this semi-automatic powerhouse brings unparalleled reliability to the civilian home defense market. At the heart of the Benelli M4's legendary status is its cutting-edge auto-regulating gas-operated Argo system, ensuring flawless performance under any condition. What does this mean for you? It translates to lightning-fast follow-up shots with minimal recoil, crucial in high-pressure home defense scenarios. The M4's ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it accessible to shooters of all skill levels. And with a standard capacity of 7 rounds, it offers the firepower needed to neutralize any threat effectively. Versatility is where the Benelli M4 truly shines. Its ability to accept a wide range of ammunition types means you can tailor your loadout to your specific defense strategy. From buckshot for close-quarters defense to slugs for longer-range precision, the M4 adapts to your needs. Its robust construction, featuring a weather-resistant finish and corrosion-resistant materials, ensures that you're ready to defend, no matter the environment. And for those looking to enhance their tactical advantage, the M4's Picatinny rail accommodates a variety of optics and accessories. 3. Beretta 1301 Tactical. This semi-automatic marvel combines speed, reliability, and tactical efficiency into a package that's hard to beat. Designed with the input of law enforcement and tactical operators, the 1301 Tactical is Beretta's answer to the demand for a compact, easy-to-use shotgun for defense scenarios. Let's find out why the Beretta 1301 Tactical has quickly become a favorite among those serious about home security. Right out of the gate, the Beretta 1301 Tactical impresses with its lightning-fast blink gas operating system, which allows for up to 36% faster cycling than any other shotgun on the market. This means quicker follow-up shots, which could be crucial in a home defense situation. Its 18.5-inch barrel and overall compact design make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, while the oversized charging handle and safety button ensure ease of use under stress. But it's not just about speed and ease. The 1301 Tactical is built to last. Its adjustable stock allows for a perfect fit for any shooter, while the integrated Picatinny rail on top of the receiver is ready for your choice of optics or iron sights. 2. The KelTec KSG. The KelTec KSG stands as a marvel of modern shotgun design, blending innovation with practicality in a package that's hard to overlook for home defense enthusiasts. This pump-action powerhouse redefines what's expected from a defensive shotgun, thanks to its unique bullpup design, which allows for a compact overall length without sacrificing barrel length or firepower. With a capacity to hold up to 14 rounds across its dual-tube magazines, the KSG offers unprecedented ammo capacity, enabling you to have a significant amount of firepower at your fingertips. This feature alone makes it a formidable tool for home defense, providing the confidence and preparedness needed in critical situations. The ability to load different types of ammo in each tube further enhances its versatility, allowing for quick adaptation to any scenario without the need to reload. Beyond its impressive capacity and adaptability, the KSG is praised for its reliability and durable construction. Designed to endure the rigors of heavy use, it embodies KelTec's commitment to quality and innovation. Its ergonomic design and ambidextrous controls ensure ease of use for shooters of all skill levels, making it accessible and effective. While its unique appearance and operation may be intimidating to some, those who invest the time to familiarize themselves with the KSG will find it an unmatched ally in home defense. The compact size and significant firepower it packs make the KelTec KSG not just a shotgun, but a critical component of any comprehensive home defense strategy. 1. Remington 870 Tactical. The Remington 870 Tactical is an iconic shotgun that has stood the test of time, earning its reputation as a reliable, versatile, and powerful option for home defense. This pump-action shotgun combines ease of use with a rugged durability that can withstand the harshest conditions, making it a favorite among law enforcement and civilians alike. Its simplicity in design ensures smooth operation, while the 12-gauge chambering delivers the stopping power needed in critical situations. The 870 Tactical version comes with features specifically designed for defensive use, including an extended magazine tube for additional capacity, a shorter barrel for improved maneuverability in tight spaces, and various tactical accessories that can be customized to the user's preference. The 870's steel construction and proven reliability over decades of use have cemented its status as a go-to shotgun for those who prioritize home defense. Beyond its technical specifications, the Remington 870 Tactical offers a sense of security and confidence to its owners. Its widespread availability, coupled with extensive aftermarket support, allows for a high degree of customization, ensuring that each shotgun can be tailored to meet individual needs and preferences. Whether it's the addition of a tactical light, a different stock for improved ergonomics, or a sights upgrade for better target acquisition, the 870 Tactical accommodates it all. Its enduring presence in the firearms market and continued relevance in the field of home defense speak volumes of its performance and reliability. For anyone seeking a shotgun that combines tradition with tactical utility, the Remington 870 Tactical is a choice that warrants serious consideration.